There's a lot of pushback about coached pushing lately, and I get it. Women are sick of being told what to do. The problem is, the idea of breathing a baby out that's being promoted all over social media isn't realistic either. And I'm going to explain why. My name is Jamie. I'm a midwife. I've been attending births for over a decade. The thing I'm big on around here is breaking down fears and setting up realistic expectations. So if that's your thing, go ahead and hit subscribe. You know how you probably couldn't have an orgasm in a room full of people watching you? Well, birth works the same way, and that's exactly why the fetal ejection reflex rarely happens in a hospital setting. I'm not saying it never happens, it just rarely does, but stick around to the end to find out how to increase your odds. Most of the women I work with all ask the same question because they've been seeing the same things on their social media feeds. And that is, can I breathe my baby out instead of pushing? What the fetal ejection reflex is a powerful, involuntary urge to push the baby at the end of labor. This is not coached pushing, this is when the body completely takes over. Though it is real, it's rare in most modern birth settings, aka the hospital. Look, guys, the birth videos you're watching online are often heavily edited and doing people a huge disservice. It often makes birth look a lot calmer and easier than it is, when really it takes a lot of hard work and effort, especially for first-time moms. Alright, so what actually has to happen in the body for the fetal ejection reflex to take place? Let's talk about it. In order to experience the fetal ejection reflex, or sometimes referred to as FER, alongside breathing the baby out, a woman needs to deeply relax during contractions instead of fighting them and tensing up. Also, a person needs to feel safe, private, and unobserved. Your body is not just going to push a baby out on its own unless all of those stars align. Most hospital births are extremely managed in the name of efficiency. Safety. So there's very little room for an unobstructed physiological birth. In addition to that, performance anxiety in birth is so real. Bright lights, strangers, being monitored and watched, of course your body feels like it's supposed to be putting on a show. If you wouldn't feel comfortable having sex in that environment, you probably wouldn't be able to relax fully into labor either. Birth is not a performance, but hospitals often turn it into one. So why isn't it likely that a woman will experience this if a doctor is in the room? It's not about bad providers, it's about the environment and the dynamics. Authority figures, interruptions, timing, and monitors. The body interprets this as not feeling safe enough to fully surrender. Having to work hard to push a baby out is not a failure. Not experiencing a fetal ejection reflex is completely normal, and some moms really benefit from coached and directed pushing, especially if they're using an epidural. Now, in this video, I don't cover how pain medication interferes with fetal ejection reflex, but as you can imagine, I have a lot more to say about it, so let me know in the comments if you want part 2. There isn't a right or a wrong way to push out a baby. This is about understanding how the process works so you feel confident when it's your turn to do the dang thing. So now that we've cleared that up, let's talk about what you can do to increase your chances of experiencing the fetal ejection reflex. First, educate yourself before labor on what to expect. Remove doubt and build up confidence, and build a birth team that supports natural birth rather than fears it. Partners, family members, friends, I'm talking to all y'all. In labor, limit distractions as much as possible. So turn down the lights, close the blinds, only have who's necessary in the room, and limit distractions. Some of the tools women find helpful in labor to accomplish this is an eye mask and noise-canceling headphones. Most importantly, if you're hoping to experience the fetal ejection reflex, wait until your body feels the urge to push versus being told to. This is commonly referred to as laboring down. Your body isn't broke if it doesn't just breathe the baby out. It's responding exactly the way a human body does under pressure.